Hello and welcome to School of Systems and Technology, SST, where we are leading Pakistan's digital revolution. I'm Dr. Atif Alvi, Dean SST.
Our vision is to become a leading inclusive school driving excellence in systems and technology, education, research and innovation.
Our mission is to provide a great learning environment that can develop skilled, innovative and responsible professionals.
SST offers 7 undergraduate, 6 graduate and 1 doctoral degree, covering the entire spectrum of computing, from the foundational computer science to the cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and from software engineering to the innovative IT solutions.
Our faculty is dedicated to helping students achieve their goals and reach their full potential.
Our state-of-the-art facilities provide students with hands-on experience with the latest technologies.
We provide students with opportunities to work with top tech companies, startups and research institutions.
Our students have access to the state-of-the-art lab facilities. We have robotics lab, makerspace lab and high-performance computing lab, where students can convert their ideas into reality.
Join us at School of Systems and Technology and start building your future in tech today.